Hi guys, it's Mr. Garrity and the boys. Today I'm with Joseph and Sebastian, and we're going to play another tape measure math game, except this time we're going to work on our subtraction skills. So both Joe and Sebastian have put their pegs on 50. Sebastian's going to start at 50. He's going to roll the dice, and we're going to subtract and move down. Just a minute, not yet, please. And we're going to move down the tape measure. But I also want to point out that we're also writing our equations out as we're doing this, okay? And that's important. So, Sebastian, we started at 50.
Yep.
We're subtracting. Go ahead. How many are we going to subtract? Go ahead.
Oh, 2. Wait.
Let's put them
4
down.
and 2. 6.
4 and 2. 6. So I want you to move back 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, yeah. So we can say
Guys.
50 minus 6 equals, and you're on what?
44.
44.
And guys, this game is kind of like Candyland, but instead it's minus and it's numbers.
Right, exactly. All right. Joey, you're up. You're at 50. Roll your dice, Joe.
2.
Whoa, that one almost got away. We got 6 and 2. What does that equal? Shh. Go ahead, Joe.
2 means 1, 2.
1 and 2. So what's 6
2.
and 2?
8.
8. So you're going to move back 8 spaces. Go ahead. We'll say 50 minus 8 equals
42.
42. Very nice, Joe. All right, Sebastian, you're starting with 44. So we're going to write in our equation 44 minus, go ahead. How many? 44 minus?
8.
8. 44 minus
1,
8
2,
equal?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Equals, should be right there, right? 36. Very good. Okay, Joe, this time, Joe, you're starting at 42, and you're going to subtract. And we'll see who wins, guys, and we'll get you the results a little later. Say goodbye, guys.
Bye.